Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward tutorial on how to add an iTunes gift card to your iPhone in 2025. Whether it's a gift from a friend or a treat for yourself, this process is quick and easy, helping you top up your account for apps, music, or movies. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to redeem your card without any hassle. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version for 2025. This ensures everything runs smoothly. Grab your iTunes gift card and open the App Store app on your home screen. It's the one with the blue A icon, so you can't miss it. Once you're in the App Store, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. This will take you to your account page. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says, Redeem Gift Card or Code. Go ahead and tap on that. You'll be prompted to enter the code from the back of your gift card. Carefully type in the 12 or 16-digit code. Double check for any letters or numbers you might have missed. After entering it, hit Redeem. Your iPhone might ask for your Apple ID password or Face ID for verification, which is just an extra security step. Once redeemed, you'll see a confirmation message, and the funds should be added to your Apple ID balance right away. To verify, go back to your account page and check your available credit. That's it. You're all fueled up for your next purchase. A quick tip. If you encounter any errors, like an invalid code, make sure you're connected to the internet and that the code hasn't been used before. If issues persist, contact Apple support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.